Okay, I have one more video to bring to you tonight, and it's involving the charts of the banks that we're all seeing earnings from this week. Has me left a little bit jacked for this week. I'm extremely excited for Thursday nonetheless, but excited to go into tomorrow as well. So let's go and take a look at all of the earnings this week, looking at all the banks and the charts since the beginning or the end of February and into the beginning of February of this year. This is JP Morgan. So you can see here on the 27th, that was actually the lowest day that they closed since everything started. So lowest close for JP Morgan, 127.21. By coincidence, I highly doubt it. Now look at this. On the 18th of June, we see a gap down and then followed by another run and basically a George W pattern with a gap in it right here. Wells Fargo. We see here the same similar trail around that week of late January, early February. We have the same split here, gap down, and then a little W formation. Goldman Sachs also going to be reporting tomorrow. We have 618 W formation just as well, and we have a lowest close around the end of January. Next, we have Wednesday's earnings. Bank of America. Very similar on February 1st. That was its lowest close so far. And as of June 18th, another gap down and a W formation. And last but not least, BlackRock. So, of course, a little bit different here. We don't see that same W pattern, do we? Not really. There was still that same gap down, but unlike the previous, we're actually well above where we started. I'll leave you with that. Jack to the T's. Could this all be related? Only one way to find out. Hold.